KitchenAid KSM155GBCA 5QT. Artisan design series with glass bowl, candy apple red. Multi-purpose attachment hub, over 15 optional attachments. 5QT. 237 liters, glass bowl with measurement markings. 10 speed settings. Bread yield loaves 4.5. Tilt head design. Includes coated metal flat beater, coated metal dough hook, and wire whip, 1-year warranty. 0.60 Hz. See-through glass mixing bowl. The 5-quart glass bowl lets you see your recipe as it mixes for the ultimate in control. Tilt head feature, easily access the bowl, beaters and ingredients with a simple tilt of the mixer head. Exceptional planetary action. The beater spirals within the bowl for efficient, thorough mixing, providing beater-to-bowl coverage. Metal construction, rugged, durable, metal construction ensures years of reliable mixing, helps reduce mixer walk on your counter as well. Powers over 12 optional accessories. Turn your KitchenAid stand mixer into a culinary center with KitchenAid stand mixer accessories.